Have you ever thought about creating your own haunted attraction? This video will guide you through the eerie world of haunted themes and concepts. From traditional houses to unique trails, the potential for creativity is limitless. The world of haunted attractions is as vast as your imagination allows. When we say haunted attraction, a traditional haunted house may spring to mind, yet traditional doesn't mean repetitive. It provides a canvas to innovate, letting experiment with setting, characters, and storyline for a unique yet familiar guest experience. If you have an outdoor space, why not consider a haunted trail or a haunted corn maze? These attractions harness the mystery and unpredictability of nature to create a truly haunting experience. Imagine leading your guests through a moonlit forest, their path lit only by flickering lanterns. Every rustle of leaves, every shadowy figure becomes a potential scare. Or how about a haunted corn maze? The tall, rustling cornstalks create a labyrinth that can disorient and thrill your guests. The sense of being lost, with scares lurking around every corner, can create a fear that is both exhilarating and unforgettable. An outdoor attraction also allows for a larger space and more freedom in your design. You can create multiple scare zones, have roaming scare actors, or even incorporate elements like a hayride or a haunted picnic area. An outdoor haunted attraction can offer a unique and thrilling experience that your guests won't soon forget. Deciding on the theme and concept for your haunted attraction is a crucial first step. Whether you're drawn to the allure of a traditional haunted house, the spine-chilling thrill of a haunted trail, or the unique eeriness of a haunted corn maze, your choice sets the stage for the entire experience. Remember, creativity and uniqueness are your best friends in this venture. Your attraction should be a mirror of your imagination, a place where fear and fun intertwine. But don't forget to consider your resources and who you're trying to scare. Is it the thrill seekers, the ghost hunters, or the families looking for a spooky adventure? Every decision you make should revolve around them. Don't forget to subscribe to Insane Insights for more tips and tricks on creating the perfect haunted attraction. And leave a comment below with your favorite haunted attraction theme.